Welcome to the ultimate ChatGPT course. As we are diving deep into the AI world, so you will learn in this course what ChatGPT is to ultimate use of it. You can use it for education purposes, you can create ebooks, you can create PDFs, you can create diagrams, charts, you can use for research and analysis purposes as well. Like you can create thesis, patents, and you can use it for productivity purposes as well. Like you can imagine the text to AI images, you can imagine the text to AI videos like YouTube shorts, you can use for programming purposes as well. So I created this course to make it simple jumpstart for beginners to become ultimate professionals for automating and integrating ChatGPT for their daily creative content to strengthen and upgrade with AI technology. Well, this ChatGPT course is covering what ChatGPT is and its background, creating a brand new account, get started with the ChatGPT, deep dives to the dashboard and its features, how to write a prompt for the better results, how to deal with errors if you encounter, whether you are looking to use it for blogging to writing a content, or whether you want to use it for email marketing to write your funnels, or whether you want to use it for image creations or video creations, or you want to use it for website creations, or whether you are looking to use it for diagrams, charts, PDFs, or even if you are using for e-commerce, like you want to write a product, creative titles, attractive bullet points, or detailed description of your product. So you can do this all with this course. I have especially prepared e-booklet to download with the essence of this course, like best practices, keynotes, short keys and techniques for those who will have taken this course, as they can take the advantage while using the ChatGPT. Well, my name is Iqbal. I'm tech mentor with the 14 years of experience and bringing tech courses here. So you can follow me here to be notified for the upcoming courses, or check out my existing courses at this platform. Well, I'm excited to share the power of AI and the ChatGPT. While learning, you will be sharing your creative content in this course community and see others' creative content for ideas and discussions on it. So let's begin the course and see you in the next slide.